Here's how I updated this vintage waterfall dresser. The first thing I did was remove all the hardware and clean the entire piece. Then I went through and I filled all of the areas where the veneer had chipped. Next, I sanded the fronts of the drawers as well as the entire dresser using 120 and working up to 220 grit. Then I took Varathane's water-based stain in the color dark walnut and I applied 2 coats of that to the fronts of the drawers as well as the top. And here you could see there were some areas that needed a little more attention where I had patched, so I'm using some paints to mimic the wood grain pattern here. After this, I went through and I taped off the fronts using a geometric pattern, and I used 3 coats of the color Licorice by Country Chic's paints. And then once this was dry, I peeled these off. And I also applied 3 coats of a matte top coat to the entire piece once I finished painting and staining the whole piece. But here you can see me finishing up the painting along the front and the sides. And then I also used a combination of scraper and sander along the top. And then here again, I'm using the Varathane wood stain in dark walnuts. And then once the entire thing was dry, I went through with Howard Feed and Wax and I coated the entire inside and outside just to refresh every bit of the piece that I could. Thanks for watching!